Hey, good morning, my friend. Lou.
Hello.
Hey, good morning, my friend. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Yeah, you, how are you?
I'm doing a little better now. I'm sorry. Yeah, but doing a little better.
No issue. That a part of any journey. No issue.
Sure.
Okay. But the last couple of days, I just ping you for that the lab. Okay. Okay. No issue. We can go slowly. Okay. So don't worry. I will cover that. So now you getting the job?
Yeah, I'm applying for a job. I can show you the job description of what they're looking for the skill sets. This is what they want.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, they want somebody who has hybrid environment, cloud and hybrid environments. So they want somebody like a multi-cloud person. So
Uh, uh, can you share?
yeah,
Yeah, you can share the screen. The title. Uh,
yeah. No, I just sent it over. So it's like yeah, I've been getting a couple of them, like different
okay.
little recruiters and stuff.
Understood.
So the
Okay.
recruiters. Yeah.
Okay. This is which position, which decision you just give the interview. Means job position,
Oh, it's senior cloud engineer.
cloud engineer. Okay.
Yeah, cloud
Yeah.
engineer. Yeah.
Uh,
So
uh,
they basically want somebody, but it seems like they want somebody like I have other experience too. It seems like they want somebody who's experienced with on-prem stuff. So I have experience with on-prem servers. So, I've supported on-prem servers. But it just, multi-cloud, I'm kind of new to the multi-cloud, but it seems like they was very interested in me. So it may be an opportunity, it might be an opportunity for me, my friend, so we'll see.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
stay
Yeah. You have a on-premium experience, but multi-cloud will cover. If we go the if we cover the multi cloud means Azure, uh, Google Cloud
yes.
or AWS. Three
Yes.
cloud. If we clear the architect, clear the whole part, then
Oh
we can
wow.
then
Nice.
yeah, then we cover the multi cloud. We can easily give the answer any cloud.
Nice. Thank you, my friend. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm excited. I'm just trying to I'm thankful, my job fired me, laid me off, fired me. Well, they didn't lay me off, they fired me. And yeah, it just was no good. Like the company, they terminated me for a policy that didn't exist. They said the
Mhm.
policy, I violated a policy, but the policy didn't exist. And then they created a policy after an outage. That's what happened. They created a new policy after an outage, forced everybody to sign a policy, and then they fired me for signing a policy.
Mhm. Yeah,
Yeah,
that.
not a good company.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That of part of the IT sector. I can't do nothing because
Yeah.
IT sector always need to skill up, need to exact skill, exact tasks. If I miss any task, so any company which don't need to listen any execute any excuse why you miss these tasks or like that. No,
Yeah.
that of the part. Okay, so today we start now from AWS. As of
Okay.
now, yeah, as of now we start uh, three cloud is AWS, Azure, and Google Clouds in launch the EC2, right?
Yeah. So what did I do? I go to AWS, go to aws.amazon.com.
Yeah, first login Amazon account.
Okay. All right. You need me to share my screen?
Yes.
Sorry. Google P and I'm opening up these.
Okay, you share the screen.
Yeah, can you see I'm sharing screen. Yeah, can you see it now?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay. Now you log in the account from root user. You just log in AWS.
Now ID. Um, it's gonna be sign in using root user email. Yeah.
Root user. Yes. Root
Okay.
user.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. Registering your MFA credentials will be required in 35 days. So what do I do? Skip it for now? Or?
Okay, so you log in now, root user. Okay, as of now, it's see that is a very it's a secure reason. So AWS is launched. This is the after 30 day you MFA must be secure, right? After 30 day it must be enabled, right? But
Yeah.
as of now you skip now. You can do the later from your device. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, skip now. Skip for now. Click on that. So, okay. Now we use the EC2 and I am user, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now today we use the one service. The service name is S3 bucket, right? S3. This service mainly used for the stored dynamic data. Store your image or your application file, your application folder, application database, just stored here. That's called the S3. That service name is S3 bucket, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now search the S3 on, go to the search and type S3. Yes. Yeah. So first one, you just click on that, the S3. First one, click on that S3. Yes. Okay. So here we just launching storage. Create a storage. That storage is S3 storage, and that storage is very cheapest. Its price is very low. AWS all storage more than S3 storage is cheapest. The cost, suppose if you use 1 terabyte data, that will be cost monthly $1. Okay, so it is a very cheapest storage that called Amazon S3, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Now create a bucket. Create a bucket. Click on that. Yeah. Okay. So now here the AWS region. So that is our data center region. Second, the bucket type. We use the general purpose, right? And the third, the name, the bucket name. Okay. So type the bucket name.
Yeah. So I just create a bucket, right? What do you want me to put for bucket name?
Bucket name as your project requirement, right? So, but it is a unique. It is a unique by universal. It means globally the bucket name should be unique, right? Not match any other bucket name, right?
Right.
If you match any other's bucket that already exists someone, that time you getting the error. This bucket is already taken. Okay. So you here type the suppose you type your bucket. Suppose your bucket e-commerce project. So e-commerce bucket or my project bucket. That type the name. Okay. Storage bucket name. Yeah. My project bucket. Okay. Okay. Now the ownership CL. You just click on that. Allow the ACL. Yes, that of the bucket is if you allow, so then bucket will be you can access publicly. Now
Yeah.
scroll down. Okay, here is that you see that the bucket block all public access, right?
Yeah.
Just check box. That's uncheck. We can allow our bucket publicly. Here you check acknowledgement. Click on that acknowledgement checkbox. Yes. Okay. Now that is a version. It means if you enable the version, so it's enabled to version like a Git, right?
Right.
Yeah, the like a Git. So you can enable, no issue. Okay. Now there's a tag. That tag means only for the identity. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's optional. No need now. But if you need, you can add. That's only for the identity. Okay. Okay, now not for click, no need anything on advance. Now we just create the bucket. Okay, you see that bucket name is already exit. It means this bucket storage already taken by someone, right? You choose
Okay.
you choose change the name. You can add your 1, 2, 3 or 5, 6, 7, whatever you just for make unique. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. The bucket is created, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we want to upload our file, our folder here, right? Suppose we have a project folder we want to upload here. Okay. Click here. Click on bucket name. Yes. Now you can upload. your folder or your file, image file. If you have any image file for testing, you just upload an image file for testing. Whatever your data you can upload here, but testing purpose you just upload an image. If you have any image file, you just upload. Okay. Now you upload. Okay, it's uploaded, right? Now close it. Close it. Not here. Yeah. Now right side the checkbox. Click on the checkbox. Now go to action. Yeah. Make the public. Make it using public CLI. The last word. Yes. Yes. Make public. Okay. Okay. Great. Now once again close it. The page. Close. Okay. Now click on that your file name. Yeah. Click here. So your file is uploaded, right? That your file, the link. Click the link, then you can easily access your file, right? Easily access your file through this link. This is your bucket name. You check the link, my project 56711 S3 and then region USS to Amazon AWS.com, right? That is your bucket URL, right? This URL you can check anywhere. If you send this image, that is a URL. That is a public URL. Anyone can access your file, your folder below the link, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, now close it. Okay. So now you understand, huh? So bucket, yeah, bucket means you can upload anything in your bucket, so anyone can access. If you want grand public access, so anyone can access your file or folder. Okay. So now go to the Google AWS once again.
Go where? Google?
AWS.
Right. AWS.
Yes. Login and go to the bucket once again. Login the AWS account. Sign in, sir. Sign in. Okay. Now once again go to the bucket. S3 bucket. Once again go to the S3. Okay, so that's the your bucket. Okay, your bucket. Okay, now you can do your it means self do the another bucket and upload another image, and this image will be public. You can do the create another bucket. Okay, you can do self. That will be practice once again. Okay, now whatever the requirement, you just name all the field, your bucket name, your and then okay. Okay, now enable the SCL in the mode object. Yes. Okay, now uncheck the block all public. Uncheck, check yes. Yeah, if you want to enable, yeah, that's the version control. You can enable, do it. Okay. That's all. Now you can create. Okay, so another bucket will be created, right? Right.
Yeah.
Now you just log in and click on the bucket name and upload another image, another different image, and make it public. Okay, and upload. Yes, yeah, it's uploaded. Close it, and now you can, it's if needed, so you can, it's public. Public, why you public? Because you need to the link, public link access. That's why you need public this file, right? Yeah, that's your project object URL, right? So your
Yeah.
object is URL. Okay, now go back. Now go back. Okay, so your bucket is red. Bucket, you can understand. Okay, so now once again click on the bucket. Click on bucket. Yes. Okay, here is two bucket, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, click one. Click any one bucket. Click any one. Yeah. Okay, you see that that's the property. It means metadata or property permission. Yeah, right? Permission. Click on the permission. See, you can here you can if you want create your some permission, you can do that, right? Okay. Now the management. Click on management. Yeah. Here is the life cycle, right? Suppose you have, right, lot of data, your project lot of data, but you want to delete the data, automatically delete after 1 month, after 1 year, this data will be deleted. Then you create life cycle configure, right? If you create life cycle configure, your data will be deleted or whatever, you can add the rules. Okay, now create a life cycle rules. Yes, right. Here is the type the name. Rules. Uh, just name the rule for life cycle rule one. Just try name the rule life cycle rule one for that anywhere rule, but as of now we just testing. Okay, and click on apply all object and bucket. Apply all object and bucket. Okay. Okay. Here you can see that the object expert the transfer last option. You can see the last second one, permanent delete. Yeah, okay, expert current version. Yeah, delete the, okay, so delete expert object later. But we just click the delete expert current version, expert last third one, last third one. Okay, scroll down. Why we click, we just say expire current version, because we enable the version control. So current version will be expire after 30 days. right? In our bucket, right, we enable the version control. That's why it's showing the current version, right? So current version will be expired after 30 days. Okay. Okay. Or if you can set it's 1 day, you can do that. Okay. Understand, sir?
Yes.
That's of the you can manage the data expired, delayed. There's an automatic life cycle your data manage. Okay.
Yep.
Now, yeah. Now create.
So basically, this rule is stating after 30 days, it's going to clean up the files.
Yes. Clean the bucket. After 30 days, this bucket will be clean. It means your not bucket will be delete, but if any file age is 30 days, then
Delete it.
yeah, this file will be deleted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense.
That will manage the automatically. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great. Now the once again click on the bucket. Yeah, click on the bucket. Next bucket. Click on bucket. Yes. Yeah. Here is 2 bucket. Okay. Okay. Now uh, we want to access our S3 bucket, S3 storage through the server, right? We want to access our S3 storage bucket from our server. Then what the step? Okay. Now,
Okay.
before that, we need a server. Next step, we create a server and we can access our S3 bucket through our server. Okay, from our server.
Okay.
Okay, understood, sir?
Yes.
I means my server now my server want to access the S3 bucket because server have a lot of data. Server want to upload or back up the file in the S3 bucket. So how the step? Okay.
Yes.
That will we do that. That lab will do that. Okay. Now first, so you launch a server, EC2 server. First you launch EC2 Ubuntu server. Okay. Type EC2. Okay. Type a Ubuntu, yeah, whatever your server name for AWS testing, whatever you want. And select Ubuntu.
You're doing what? Create a key pair.
Yes, yes.
All right. What are we doing here?
Yeah.
I take it we're going to allow HTTPS, correct? Since it's
Yes.
connecting to, yeah.
Yeah. And storage 8 GB. As of now, the default you can change later. But as of now, 8 GB is testing. Okay. Now the launch. Hmm. Okay. Oh, Sala.
It's running.
Okay, now it's launched. Now you just connect. Okay. This is not your IP. Copy the public IP address. This is not your IP. This is the public DNS. Go to the server and check the public IP. It's private. It's not public, not private. Public. This is not IP address. DNS. Public IP DNS. No, no. Yes, this is the public IP address. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Now run. Log in the server.
What do I need?
Type the CMD. Yeah, CMD. Yes.
Oh wait, I need to do the CMD in the key in the folder, right? Wherever the key pair folder is, right?
Yes. No need to administrator. You just normal open the CMD. Just normal open. No need to CMD as a administrator. Just exit from here. Now type CMD on search bar. Yeah, just open. Just open. No need CMD. Yeah. No need the administrator. Yeah. Now you can use it. Okay. Now you go to the your CD downloads. CD downloads. Yeah. Now run your comment. Yes. Okay. So you log in the server, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now here you first run sudo apt update. First for repository update. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt update. Yes. Okay. Now you type AWS --version. Now you type AWS space --version. That, yeah, version. You see that this command not found because this AWS is not installed, right? We need to install AWS CLI. Then we can connect our AWS to server, right? Okay. Okay. Now we need to download AWS CLI file. Okay. So I have shared the link. Just download from here. A chat. I just shared the link for AWS application. You just copy and just call through the download. From mid chat I said that you just copy and paste on the server. That will be download. Copy the link and go to the server. That we have shared the link, no?
Go to which server right here?
Yes.
Then paste it here.
Paste, yeah. Before that wget. Type the wget. Yeah, wget is a download. Yes. Enter. Okay. Type ls. Yeah. See, your file is download. Okay. Okay. Now you unzip. Unzip and then your file name.
Okay. So what am I doing?
Unzip. Type UNZIP. Unzip space your AWS your enter. Before that, need to install unzip. Okay, so install that. Okay, now now it's run. Okay, now type ls. Yeah, it's down. It's unzip the AWS. Okay. Now you go to the cd www cd AWS ls. Yeah. Now install file, right? Now dot slash install. Dot slash install. Install. Enter. Permission denied. Okay, use the sudo dot install. Okay, now you check the version AWS --version. Okay, now you can see that your server that will be showing the version, right? right?
Yes.
Okay, now you just type AWS configure, means our AWS application install. Now we need to the AWS configure. Just type, yeah, enter. Yeah, just see that here you want to AWS access key, right? Before that, we need to access AWS access key. Means if we want configure, if you want connect our server to AWS, that time the need the server access key, right? So where we get the server access key, that access key have AWS I am user, right? Before that, we need to create AWS I am user, and then we create a access key. Understand, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, now go to the console and go to the service I am user. Go to the AWS console. Yeah, you type I am user. I am, yes. Yes, click on that. Yes. Anyway, yeah. Yeah. Click on the user. Yes. Yeah. Here you want to create another user. Create. Yeah. You just type the name server connect user. Whatever name. As of now, I will just use, but whatever you give me the name, okay? Just okay, server connect user. Okay. Now next. Okay. And now you just attach the policy. Go to third option. So this user which service access? If you want this user access only our S3, right? Just type S3. Yeah, S3 full access. You just given that S3 full access. Okay. Or anything, any others? You just type EC2 full access. Just given the EC2 full access. Full access. Great. Okay. Now you next. Now next. Great. Okay. So the server connect user only access S3 and in EC2, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now need to the access key. Okay. So once again, click the server. Yeah, server connect. Click here. Yeah. Here you can see the access key. Create the access key. You can see right side access key. Yes, create access key. Yeah. From here we can access the access key. Okay. So here we want use the fast line, command line interface. Our plan the access key use the command line interface. Okay. Okay. Now next. Yeah. Great. Okay. And download the CSV. Download the CSV. Download the CSV. Yes. Okay. So the access key. Yes. Okay. The now we need to the access key. No server one access key.
So now what do I do?
Okay. You copy the access key and secret key. Copy that. Okay. this information also have saved the your file. Open the file that you have downloaded. Just open your CSV file. Just open the CSV file that you have downloaded. This information already download the .csv file, right? Just open the file. Control, yeah, okay. Okay, access key and server key. Okay, now go to the server. Go to the server. Yes, yeah. Here need the server access key. You paste the server access key. You copy the server access key and paste here. Yes. Enter. Now secret access key. Yes. Enter. Default zone is default. No need to change a default. Whatever your zone, you can default. Okay. Output format, you can also just type that. Okay, default. No issue. Okay. Okay. So you set up, right? You configured your AWS configure. Okay. Now here you check. It means now you can do anything your AWS account through the CLI. It means you can upload your file on S3 from here. You can create a server from CLI on command line because you have connect your server to AWS account, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now just check the how many your bucket, 2 bucket. So you check your bucket is showing here or not. Let's check AWS S3 LS for listing. You see that your bucket name?
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Yep.
Yeah. That means your bucket, the 2 bucket you can see here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So here you can see that you can easily check easily your bucket that you have created or not. Okay. Okay. Now you want to upload a file in your bucket. Okay. You want to upload your file or copy your file in your bucket. Okay. Bucket number 1. It means my custom bucket 701122. Okay. Okay. So you create a file. Just touch test 123. Touch test 123. Dot text. Okay, whatever. Now type the VIM. Just okay. Now just something written. Text 123. Hello testing or whatever you're written.
What it is?
Server to bucket connect. Just type
Okay.
server to AWS connect. Okay. Save it. Save it. Yeah. Okay. Now this file you upload your upload. Yeah. Check it. Yeah. It's correct. Now you upload this file, the bucket, my custom bucket under the my custom bucket. Okay. You copy it from here. You upload the file. This bucket under this bucket. Okay. So before that The what exactly command? The command is AWS. AWS always is default command, right? AWS, because we upload our file in AWS account. That's why you type AWS. Okay, AWS S3 CP. Okay, and upload, and then your file name. No, then your text file name. Yeah, then you can type S3 colon slash colon slash double slash and your bucket name.
So it's like this.
Yeah, before first before that S3, remove the S3, the first one. Go to the home page. Yeah, S3. Yes, this one is removed. Okay. Now you just enter.
Do something wrong.
Getting the error. Why is getting the error? Once again, you just type AWS hyphen version. Which version you this? Okay. Okay. Once again, you type the mainly AWS S3. You just once again put the S3. AWS S3, then CP, then file name. Okay. Then bucket name. No. S3 bucket name. S3 underscore slash bucket name. Okay. Yeah, from here S3. Yes. Yeah.
So like
Yes.
this or no?
Yeah. Like this. Okay. Now enter. Okay. So this file will be uploaded, right? You check your file upload or not. You check your bucket. So your file is upload or not.
Yep, it's here.
Yeah. See, that for that that reason the AWS to connect uh, your server to AWS account. Okay. Now once again you want to, I mean, uh, download from this file from your server, right? You want to download. Suppose your first one file you want to download, right, from your server. This file you want
Right.
to download in your server, right? Once you go to the server, the same command, that same command, yeah, just tab arrow, yeah, just remove text.txt, just remove text.txt. CP is removed, just remove CP, remove CP, ls enter ls, enter. You see that 2 files. You can check how many file, how many folder in your bucket. Okay, listing your bucket, right? Okay, so copy that. Okay, fine. Now type the ls. Here you type ls. See your document file, your congratulation register complete file is not download here, right? It's not download here, right? Right?
Right.
Okay, you want to download congratulation register file from here to S3. Okay, the same command. Use the same command. Yeah, remove the S3 ls. Remove the ls. Only ls. Yeah, SP, CP. Yeah. Go to the last line. Go to the last line. Yeah. Then here slash your file name. Congratulations file name. No. 1 second. Go to the comment. 1 second. Go to the comment. Space dot. Sorry. Space. Again space. Yeah. Last line. Space dot. Space. Type space dot. Enter. Unknown option. This file may be problem. Here your file format is wrong. That's why it's getting the error.
Can I rename it?
Yeah, you can rename. You can upload another one file. That's one file name. Just test or report PDF, whatever is like that. You upload one folder. Yeah, test PDF. Right. Perfect. Now it is this file. Yeah. Go to the same comment. Yeah. Delete that. Delete the file name. Okay. Delete. Yeah. Test T the caps. T for caps. First option is T. T is caps. Yeah. Now enter. Yes. Now it's downloading. Right? ls. Yeah. See that your file will be downloaded. Right? So easily you can transfer your file, is easily download your file, your server, right? Lot of files. Suppose 1 TB, 500 GB. So you can easily handle through server or through your AWS server to console. Okay.
Nice. Sure.
Okay. So if you want the you want to create a server from here, you can do it.
Okay.
Suppose you want to create a server, right? So that will be have option. It means, see, you can AWS CLI, you can do anything if you have the user permission from your server. So you can do anything whatever you do the console.
Yeah.
Right? Like create a server, create a volume, create a snapshot, right? So then you can easily manage. No login to AWS server. No need to log in AWS server. You just create your it means your server and just launch your server, right?
Yeah. So what do I have to do?
Okay. So today for enough, we can you have tomorrow we
Yeah.
can see for Google Cloud and Azure. Okay,
Yes.
we can do the same thing. We can the same step that Azure have the option that called cloud storage.
Yes.
Azure this service name cloud storage, right? And GCP also name same cloud storage. So we can use this service others cloud that will be multi-cloud. We need to practice multi-cloud, no? Right,
Yes.
sir? That
Yes.
will be you understand, yeah. So tomorrow we do same thing, same lab on a Google Cloud or Azure.
Yes.
Okay, that then you can understand what the define of the multi-cloud, what the purpose. The same service we can do the three different platform: Azure, Google Cloud, and AWS. Okay,
Yeah.
that's called multi-cloud.
Do I need to delete this or no? It's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. You delete the server. No need to the S3. S3 is no charges, but you only delete the server.
Okay. So where do I
S3 is
go?
S3 is a very low charge, no charges. You just delete the server. As of now, just delete. S3, yeah. Delete. Action terminated. Instance state. Sorry, just beside instance state. Not here. Not here. Instance. Click on the instance state. Yes. Terminate. Delete. Yeah. That means your server will be terminated permanently.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see
Awesome.
we can see it same time tomorrow, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.